This book will completely change the way you think about millionaires. But the real question is, are you ready? You might think millionaires wear designer clothes and spend their days on yachts, but the reality is very different. Today, we're breaking down The Millionaire Next Door, the book that reveals the surprising habits of real millionaires and how you can follow their path to wealth. The Millionaire Next Door was written by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book is based on a 20-year study of real millionaires in America. The results were shocking. Most millionaires don't inherit wealth. They build it from scratch. They don't live flashy lifestyles. They live below their means. Their wealth doesn't come from high salaries. It comes from smart money habits. Let's break down 8 powerful lessons from this book that can transform your financial future. Millionaires live below their means. Most real millionaires don't waste money on luxury lifestyles. They live in average homes, drive used cars, and don't try to impress others. Their secret? They spend less than they earn and invest the rest. For example, John earns $500,000 a year, but spends it all on luxury cars, vacations, and designer clothes. Meanwhile, Mike earns $80,000, but lives in a modest house and invests 30% of his income. After 20 years, Mike is a millionaire, while John is still living paycheck to paycheck. 2. Wealth is built through consistent saving and investing. Millionaires don't rely on luck. They grow rich slowly by saving and investing regularly. Instead of spending their income, they put it into assets like stocks, real estate, and businesses. For example, Sarah saves 20% of her income and invests in stocks every month. Tom spends his entire salary on entertainment. After 15 years, Sarah has financial security, while Tom has nothing. 3. Millionaires avoid debt. The biggest enemy of wealth is bad debt. Millionaires avoid debt like credit cards, car loans, and unnecessary mortgages. Instead, they focus on using debt only for investments that make them money. For example, David buys a brand new car on loan, paying high interest. Alex buys a used car and invests the money he saved. In 10 years, Alex's investments have grown, while David is still paying off his loan. 4. Millionaires focus on long-term wealth, not short-term status. Many people spend money to look rich instead of actually becoming rich. Millionaires think long-term, investing in assets rather than buying things that lose value. For example, Emma has the latest smartphone and designer clothes, but no savings. Jason wears simple clothes and invests in a rental property. After 10 years, Emma is struggling financially, while Jason is earning passive income. 5. Millionaires are self-employed or business owners. Most millionaires don't work a regular 9-to-5 job. They own businesses, invest, or work in high-paying careers. They create multiple income streams instead of relying on one paycheck. For example, Mark and James both earn $70,000. Mark works for a company, while James starts a side business. After 5 years, James's business grows, and he earns double Mark's salary. 6. Millionaires marry financially smart partners. Wealthy people choose partners who support their financial goals instead of those who encourage overspending. A financially responsible spouse can double wealth, while an irresponsible one can destroy it. For example, Tom and Lisa save and invest together, growing their wealth. Mike and Sarah argue about money and overspend, leading to financial stress. 7. Millionaires spend time managing their finances. Wealthy people track their expenses, plan their investments, and continuously learn about finance. Instead of ignoring their money, they make conscious financial decisions every day. For example, Anna reviews her finances every month, adjusts her budget, and makes smart investments. Chris never tracks his money and wonders why he's always broke. 8. Millionaires teach their kids financial responsibility. Wealthy families don't just pass down money, they pass down money skills. They teach their kids how to save, invest, and avoid debt so they don't waste their inheritance. For example, a millionaire teaches his kids how to start a business, while another parent spoils their kids with luxury without financial lessons. The first child grows wealthy, while the second wastes their money. The real secret to becoming a millionaire isn't luck or a high salary. It's smart financial habits. Comment below. Which millionaire habit do you already follow? Subscribe for more book breakdowns that will change your financial future.